How to create an email footer in SENDGRID. So first, just log into your account, then navigate to the settings section here on the left sidebar, then click on it. And on the drop down menu, you will see the mail settings right here. So you just simply click on that also. Then you will be brought right here. Then you just simply need to scroll down to the very bottom till you see the email footer right there. So it's under the legacy template settings. So just simply click on the email footer. Then it will bring you right here. So as you can see, this setting allows a custom footer to be added to the bottom of all outgoing emails sent through the API. And just note that this footer will not be added to any emails sent through marketing campaigns. It only applies to all emails sent through the API, including transactional templates. So at the bottom is where we will define our footer content. So for the HTML footer, you can design it including any text, links, images, or social media icons you wish to include. And if you click on the source right here, it'll just basically give you access to the editor or the source code. And here at the bottom, or the plain text, you can just simply provide a plain text version of your footer. So this ensures your footer is visible even in email clients that don't render HTML. And also make sure that the email footer status is set to enabled right there. And once that's done, and once you're satisfied with what you have, you just simply need to click on save to apply the changes right here, and you're good to go. And that is how you basically create an email footer in SENDGRID.